This 3-cent AI penny stock could be next Nvidia.
No, it won't. It will be the next cautionary tale in your therapy session. Welcome to Top Finance, where we don't sell dreams, we dissect delusions. And today's flavor of financial fiction: 100x AI penny stocks. Let's dig into why you're not early, you're just a bait. Here's the pitch: AI is the future. This tiny company is disrupting AI. If you buy now, you'll be rich before your coffee gets cold. What they don't tell you: the company has 6 employees. It trades OTC. Their AI platform is just a PowerPoint and a ChatGPT wrapper. These aren't investments, they're digital lottery tickets. But instead of a jackpot, you win a regret and nice letter from SEC. Let's break it down. Penny stocks equals high volatility, low volume, zero accountability. Add AI to the name and suddenly it's 2021 all over again, with less tech and more TikTok. Most of these disruptive AI penny stocks have no earnings, no patterns, no moat, and no future. The only thing they're disrupting is your financial stability. You're not buying the next OpenAI, you're finding someone's yacht exit strategy. What happens next? You buy high because the hype is hot. You hold while it tanks. You average down until your savings are a punchline. Then the CEO retires, the website vanishes, and the chart looks like a ski slope. But hey, you've helped someone 100x, just not yourself. Here's the truth: the only 100x move you should be focused on is long-term portfolio, not some basement-run AI disruptor that can't afford real office chairs. If a stock needs a YouTube thumbnail to sell it, it's not investment grade. Stop chasing hype, start building wealth the slow, painful, unsexy way, because in finance, if it sounds like a shortcut, it's a trap. That's it from Financial Wasteland. If you learned something or just feel personally attacked, hit that subscribe button. Next time we're roasting influencers selling fire dreams from rented Lambos. Until then, stay cynical, stay solvent, and keep your portfolio away from a TikTok finance.